I'm here. And today we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to my heart: how to sleep better naturally. I know how frustrating it can be when you're tossing and turning at night, desperate for some shut-eye, but it just doesn't come. You might start to wonder, is a good night's sleep just a pipe dream? Well, I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be. In fact, getting better sleep could be easier than you think. And today I want to share with you 5 simple, yet super effective ways to upgrade your sleep game without popping any pills. Let's get started. The first tip is to master your sleep-wake rhythm, also known as your circadian sync. Your body has an internal clock called the circadian rhythm, which regulates sleep-wake cycles, hormone release, body temperature, and other essential functions. Consistency is key for this rhythm. So go to bed and wake up around the same time each day, even on weekends. Yes, I know it can be tempting to catch those extra Z's on a Saturday morning, but disrupting your rhythm can throw off your sleep schedule for days. Instead, stick to a consistent sleep schedule to help your body's clock anticipate sleep. This way, your body starts producing chemicals that promote sleep at the right times, making it easier to drift off. Pro tip: get some sunlight early in the morning. Sunlight helps set your internal clock, so try to spend 10 to 30 minutes outdoors in natural light within the first hour of waking up. This tells your brain it's daytime and helps reset your circadian rhythm. So set an alarm to wake up early and let the sunshine help you wake up feeling refreshed. Next up, we have tip number 2: wind down, don't crash down. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine is a great way to signal to your body that it's time for sleep. Your brain works hard during the day, so winding down helps it transition from active mode to rest mode. Start by dimming the lights about an hour before bedtime to boost melatonin production. Then engage in calming activities such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or listening to soothing music. These actions help relax both your body and mind, preparing you for sleep. And here's a bonus tip: avoid screen time 30 minutes before bed. The blue light emitted from screens can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep. Instead, opt for a screen-free half-hour before bedtime. Use this time to unwind with a good book or a relaxing activity. Now let's move on to tip number 3. Breathe like you're already asleep. Breathing might seem like a simple automatic function, but it plays a crucial role in sleep. Certain breathing techniques can induce relaxation and prepare your body for sleep. One technique is the 4 to 7 to 8 breathing method. It's easy to remember and highly effective. Here's how it works. Inhale quietly through your nose for a count of 4 seconds. Hold your breath for a count of 7 seconds, then exhale completely through your mouth for a count of 8 seconds. Repeat this cycle for 5 to 8 minutes. This method is great for calming your nervous system and easing into sleep, so practice it nightly to help your body recognize when it's time to rest. Tip number 4 is to try natural sleep-boosting foods and herbs. Nature has some powerful sleep-inducing compounds. Incorporating certain foods and herbs into your diet can support your sleep cycle and enhance its quality. Foods rich in melatonin, such as tart cherries, walnuts, and certain teas, can help regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Additionally, foods containing magnesium like spinach, avocado, and pumpkin seeds can relax your muscles and promote calmness. Here's a quick guide to some sleep-friendly foods and drinks. Kiwis are not only delicious, they may also improve sleep quality and duration. Almonds contain melatonin and healthy fats that support sleep. Lavender essential oil can be used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and sleepiness. Chamomile tea is a popular choice for its calming properties. Tart cherry juice naturally boosts melatonin levels. Lemon balm can help reduce anxiety and stress, aiding in sleep. Experiment with these natural options to find what works best for you. For example, drinking a cup of warm chamomile tea or eating a small bowl of tart cherries can be a soothing way to end the day. However, please note that while these natural methods can be very effective, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Last but not least, we have tip number 5. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Your bedroom should be a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and truly relax. Transform your bedroom into a sleep haven by optimizing the environment. Keep your room dark, cool, and quiet. Use blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine to minimize distractions and ensure a peaceful night's sleep. Let's break it down. Darkness promotes melatonin production, helping you fall asleep faster. A cooler room temperature helps regulate your body's temperature, making it easier to fall asleep and stay that way. Minimize noise with earplugs or white noise to block out distractions. And speaking of temperature, keep your room slightly cooler than you think you should. The ideal temperature for sleep is between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit or 16 to 19 degrees Celsius. But it's not just about the physical environment. Make sure your bed is comfortable and supportive. Invest in a good mattress, pillows, and bedding that suit your preferences. A comfortable bed can significantly improve your sleep quality. And don't forget to put away any electronics or work-related items from your bedroom. Your bed should be a place for sleep and relaxation only. By creating a peaceful sanctuary, you'll train your mind to associate your bedroom with rest, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. So there you have it, folks. By following these 5 natural tips, you can transform your sleep game without relying on medication. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your sleep quality. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with a final message. You deserve to wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. With these tools in your arsenal, you're well on your way to achieving that goal. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Until next time, sweet dreams.